What's up guys, I'm back today with another video, and today we are going to be reviewing the biggest bird of them all, the paukai. Don't know why they named it that, but it's the paukai. Also, the tests in the last video with the Jiganata Poloniganubadurlaelopliosaurus were actually not very effective because my round was always set to 1 and I should have made it set to round 100 for the bad, round 80 for the ZOMG, and round 60 for the BFB, so on and so forth. So big shout out to Mr. Ninja Cameraman, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Bye bye, biggest bird. The first thing you get is the Gyrfalcon, a super tiny boy, and it can, let's see how it attacks a red balloon. Can it pop a blue balloon? No, it only has 1 damage, but how much pierce does it have? Let's send out 5 balloons and see if we can pop that. Send out the red balloons. Okay, so it has a total of 3 pierce, and you can't merge it. But you're not really looking for the Gyrfalcon whenever you want to get a bottom path beast handler. So then you get the horned owl. The horned owl, I do believe, cannot deal 2 damage, only 1, and it does have 5 pierce now, however. But if you merge it, let me get another one, then merge it there. It gains a little bit of extra detail, but you can barely see that. And now it should have 2 damage, but not 3, sadly. Next up is the golden eagle, and this is where it starts getting good. The golden eagle has the same amount of damage as the merged horned owl, but doesn't have 6 pierce. It does have 6 pierce. 7? Yes, indeed. But now if you merge it, let me get some more of these boys. 1, and then 2. Okay, 24 out of 24. Now this should be able to take out yellow balloons. Let's see that again, but in slow-mo. But wait, it does have somehow reduced pierce. Well, no, it doesn't have reduced pierce. It's just that yellow balloons are farther apart. Can it take down 6 black balloons? Very easily, indeed it can. Zebra balloons? Rainbows? Cerams? Yeah, it does pretty good against cerams. What about a Moab? No, a Moab. Oh yes, 1 Moab, and we have to set the round to 40, so that it actually is the Moab that you get at round 40. And with that, we end with that pushback thingy for Moabs. It can. Oh, and also when you merge it, look at its wings. They look so pretty. Now, up to Giant Condor. This thing got a major downgrade in looks. It looks derpy. It just looks derpy. Moab test. I said Moab. No, not a bad test. A Moab test. Okay, here it comes. And it actually is doing worse than the merged golden eagle, but does deal more damage to cerams. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. So you would rather have a fully merged golden eagle than have a giant condor. That's something interesting about the beast handler. But now let's merge some more of these bad boys into the giant condor. There you go. Okay, now it has little red details and Moab test. And about the same as before, but he defeats these cerams way easier. a buff test. Let's test out if it can pop a buff. Come on, buff. Buff. Bro, are you blind for real? No, he isn't blind. And with that pushback thingamabobber, easily destroyed. Now, a big test. What about a Zung? Yes, indeed. We want to see if it can pop a Zung. Zung! Come out wherever you are. Oh, there he is. Let's set his attack place to here. And keep microing that. Bro, he is right there. How can you not... What the what? What the what? What the? Squeeze me? That's very weird. Okay, maybe it's just a little bug. Back here. What, why won't you attack it? Why won't you attack it? Okay, so that's very weird. Please tell me what's going on in the comments down below. Because that is odd as heck. Okay, now that Mr. Ugly Beard is here, let's upgrade him to the biggest bird. Oh, come on. Let me merge. Oh, really? To merge you into you, I can't even merge you anymore. So I'll have to merge the OG Giant Condor. Oh no, I won't. This guy works. Let me merge you. What? No. No. This is so stupid. Now I'm gonna get the giant, biggest bird of them all. Look at him. He's so beautiful. And now I will have to get this guy to the max. And here he is in all of his glory. But can he beat a ZOMG without that weird glitch? And we'll figure that out pretty soon because of that cut that happened because my mom walked into my room. Yeah, very annoying. But anyways, let's figure it out. Oh no, it's around 1 ZOMG. No, it's supposed to be around 80 ZOMG. I'm stupid. Out he comes. The ZOMG is here. Palkai, attack. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, there you go. What's that? That's a cool effect. It's like a little wind tornado. It's shredding the BFBs and the Moabs. Wow, this thing sure is very good. Also, you guys play Geometry Dash? I played a little bit, the light version, sadly enough, because my dad won't pay $2 for the full version. But anyways, it's pretty fun, especially when you actually have the music on instead of listening to instead of listening to like One Piece or some random YouTube video or Dragon Ball Z something. But now we have the real test. The round 100 bad. Also, the Palkai looks super cool, don't you think? Okay, it's using its wind attack. Let's speed things up a little bit. First little thingamabobber ripperizer. Come on, Palkai, you got this, bro. Palkai. Palkai, I know you can do it. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna sell it, and we're gonna make it go back here. Then you're going to merge, you're going to merge, you're going to merge, then you are going to go there. And this Palkai is already attacking. Oh no. You, what? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. This guy doesn't even have 84. Oh no. Oh. What's going on in the background over there? Even without full merged, it took down the bad. Will it be able to take down the 2 OMGs? What? Oh, there you go. And now it's merged again. Merged. Okay, it's max merged. And yes, with ease. With easy peasy. And then if I move, can't move there. Okay. Need to. Can't merge that into anything. Okay. So, overall, the Paukai is a very, very good birdie. Yep. Very powerful. Very powerful indeed. But it also is very, very useful for making you hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, it's going to pick you up and carry you around your entire room and give you nausea. You also have to subscribe and comment down below. But that will be it for today. Be sure to like as well as subscribe and leave a comment down below on what challenges you want me to do next. And I'll see you guys next time.